they have a wine. It's a wine. I don't know the name, but this is a room. It's basically, is this a queen size bed? There's mirror. There's vault. It's pretty small. It's not that big. And what is this? Oh, closet. Wookie. Closet, telephone. 8 nights to South Coast and birthday cruise. Right there. So they give us our card for the room. And this is for today. I think we're gonna leave at 4, right, babe? And it's 2:27. It took us, the line took us like an hour and a half. There's so many people. So this is our cruise compass. You like it?
Yeah, I like it.
Say hi to my vlog.
Hello, vlog.
Okay. That's our bathroom and shower. Right there's a decent. Okay, that's to turn it off.
The mustard thing. I don't want to make sure we don't miss the mustard.
What is with you and your mustard?
Security, I mean, the safety check thing.
Oh.
Is this here?
Okay, we're at deck 9. We're going to get some food. You ready? Oh yeah, that's Baltimore right there.
Like a mile wine.
I know. Oh, there's a pool right there. So when does the pool open?
When it gets warm.
Oh.
When we get down there.
So this is the, I think the highest deck, right, babe?
Yeah, it's the highest one. You're not going no higher, but up here.
Ooh. We're eating. Got some beef, corn cob, green beans, and what was the name of this, babe? Pork and mushroom ragu. I'm just charging my phone. It is 3:55 p.m. and we're gonna leave like 4, right, love? 4 p.m.
Maybe like 4:10.
And then we have, what are we gonna do after this? Do you have plans?
Yeah.
We're waiting. We are still waiting on our luggage.
We want to get our luggage and crackers.
And our crackers. And we booked a 3 fancy dinner.
Plus we have $35, so it's gonna be 4.
So it's like 4. And I think it's $79 per person, but you can go through like 3
plus
times.
Tips, so
plus, yeah.
It's gonna be like $120 at least.
Right. Okay.
In my guess. First, we're gonna
This
go
is our
to
little TV moment.
the champagne meet and greet.
Champagne.
And $1,000 mega raffle. They're giving away $1,000 in free art. You get a free complimentary glass of champagne, and you collect a welcome on board gift pack. And then after that, we're going to the complimentary liquor tasting. Explore a variety of spirits from around the globe, including Sheraton, Ciroc, and much more, and save up to 50%. 30%.
So our luggage is here. This is mine, the red one, and that's his. So this is my more skincare stuff and some shampoo and conditioner here as well.
For your convenience, a hair dryer is provided in the top vanity floor. Coffee makers and tea kettles are provided in select suites.
Lotion.
To operate, close the door.
I got my Burberry bag with me, and also the pochette, Louis Vuitton pochette. So I think I only have 2. Actually I got 3. And also the Coach sling bag, which is, oh my goodness. Yeah, I got my sling bag from Coach as well. And I put my colognes and perfumes in here. I only got 2, which is from Kat Von D and the KKW. I love this 2 scents, so just got my beach towel. So I'll show you guys what it looks like. So what I did is basically there's a top and shorts or like bottoms, and I just like roll them down. Oh my god, what is this? It's trash. But anyway, I rolled them both, so I have like space for like what, 8-9 days. So 1 2 3 4 5 6, and I have more dresses here for like, we have that formal events, a swimsuit, and I have more swimsuit here. I think I'm gonna pair this one with this one. I got this yesterday at Target actually, so I think I'm gonna pair this one with Burberry. I didn't bring the Burberry bottom. I wasn't thinking right, I don't know why, but I forgot, so I was just thinking like, let me just pair this with the Burberry one. And I also have a one-piece swimsuit here, there, and this is like my hair dryer, I think, and my makeup bag here. I'll take that out. My makeup brushes, my sandals, put it in like a Walmart bag. So I think that's it. My dresses, extra dresses just in case we gotta switch. More tops and some sleepy shorts, some sleepy nightgowns, and more bikinis. So that's that. And I have my undergarments here, like my bra, and yeah, I think that's it for mine. And I have my extra shoes in here, which is the Nike Air Force One. We're here at deck 6. Ooh, I think that's the middle, LJ. But there's the port. We're moving right now. We got a free what? Yeah, we can like laminate this or something.
Ooh.
That's me.
I like it.
That's me. They know. They also have mix and match 4 for $40. I believe they have Bacardi. Oh, I kind of like this mango. And how many milligrams is this? 1 liter. 1 liter. Oh my god, that is so huge right there. So they have Bacardi, they have pineapple, gold, superior, and lime. And I don't know what's that one. They have the Bacardi black too. Spice rum. This is rum.
Yeah, I think
they have Absolute Lime and Malibu right there. 2 for $30 for the Absolute Malibu. So the mix and match is 4 for $40, which is not that bad because this is one. This is 1 liter.
Oh, they might have it over there.
I think this is the one that they. Oh, it's coffee. What is this? Coffee liquor? What?
They do got some.
Yeah. So we're in line right now. We're trying the alcohol tasting. I think I want to try this one. I think I want to try this. Can I try this?
Oh, there it is. Oh yeah, it's coffee liquor. I told you. Yeah.
They have the Baileys. Oh my God! Look at that.
Oh, Baileys is always good.
Strawberries and cream.
Yeah, with the regular
That's the salted caramel right there.
They don't have the regular.
It's Tom's favorite, babe.
Yeah.
It's Tom's favorite, the Crown Royal.
Yeah.
So we're in line and we're gonna taste test.
I had to keep the. I don't know see what you're talking about. These
Liquor.
bottles look really cool though. Oh, I see now. I think.
Liquor tasting. Hi, how are you? Can I try this? Yes, it's there.
Oh, that is good.
It's good. And I want to try this too. This is good.
You like that one? How much is the Baileys? 2 for 40. 2 for 40? You like the Baileys?
Yeah. I like them both.
Which one do you like better?
I like them. What?
Mix and match and it's 2 for 40 too. Like if you buy one of each, it's still 2 for 40.
Also, if I buy one of each, it's still 2 for $40.
Oh, okay.
We are on deck 6 and this is really good. They have like what to do right now, so it basically says
we'll go back to deck 9.
around like this time, for example 4:45 they have the island music and real vibes, and it will locate where
Both of them are on deck
everything,
9
and you can
the
like
buffets.
map it, and then it'll say the direction and you can close it. So they have everything in here and it says where you at right now, so that's really good. Dance with Night Away with Rocket, wait what? Hold up. With Rocket Band at 8:15. We already did the liquor tasting and it's a lot. So there's spa, there's gym, there's music trivia, we have the welcome aboard showtime.
We should go back.
It's our dinner time.
Look at that.
That's his plate. That's a lot of food, baby. You hungry? Second plate. Pork. No, not pork ribs. Beef ribs and I think fried chicken. This is the view at night if it's nighttime. It's chilly right now because we're still cruising. Oh, there's 4 jacuzzi.
Oh, the whirlpool.
Nice. Where are we headed, baby? Do you have plan, mister? It's, I don't know. Hold up. 6:19.